Hello YouTube and welcome to the first video of our Learning Python series. Today we're going to cover the print statement in Python. So printing in Python is the most basic thing you can do, and it is really important and necessary in the future. It is really simple. All you do is type in print, put parentheses, 2 quotation marks, and then inside these quotation marks you can put any phrase you want. Inside this you just put a string, and a string is, so let's just comment this out. A string is a phrase. It consists of words, of letters. So Python, really simple. All you do is print, which is a function, by the way. So pretty much print is telling Python that whatever comes inside these parentheses should be printed out. So when you do run this code, you do that just by pressing F5, we can see that Python prints hello world, which is what we put inside the parentheses. So yeah, printing in Python, really simple. All you do is print, parentheses, whatever is inside the parentheses will be printed. So in this case it's hello world again. And notice how Python prints 2 hello worlds, and that there is no break in between them, as we have here. That is because Python does not read white space, so that means Python will only take this as one print and then the next command. So it only does it command by command, so you can have as much space in between your commands as you want. So I can print hello world here, and it'll still be the same. We'll just have 3 hello worlds in a row. So yeah, that's how you print something in Python. It's pretty basic. We'll get more into it as we talk about different types of variables and data types, defining variables and data types. So for now, you learned how to print something. It's just print, and then whatever you would like is inside the parentheses and double quotation marks. If you did enjoy the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you do have any questions or suggestions, be sure to comment down below. And as always, have fun coding.